My beautiful people, women especially, your partner is complaining to you that you are no longer tight, you are no longer sweet in the middle. Okay, so guys, we have our vagina tightening gel. Probably due to childbirth or naturally your V is wide and your man is not enjoying it, his dick is slipping out of your pussy. Get our vagina tightening gel. And also we have this our SIM card. If you are not wet or you don't get honey or your body does not move as a lady, and you need to be able to do this for your man, because if your body does not move, you don't get wet, and this, your man will definitely go outside, and before you know it, from there you will start falling in love with the wrong person. Please get our SIM card. This is called SIM card. It is not normal SIM card though. It's just an insert SIM card that 15 minutes after usage you will love the effect. The effect is very nice. It will make you honey as a lady, it will make you sweet, it will make you tighter. Your man will enjoy you more than he has ever enjoyed anybody else. And then we have this to make you smell good. Probably your vagina smells, or your, even if it does not smell, you need it to smell good. If you like your man to give you head, you need this kit, so that once your man gets there, you'll be like, wow, my woman is smelling nice. We have the soap there, and then we have the vagina perfume for you to smell so nice for your man. We also have this our sugar lump for you to be so sweet in the middle, for sex to be sweet, for you to be honey, wet, slippery, and tight. We also have the lubricant for it to complete everything for you. So women that do not enjoy sex, maybe because you were circumcised or a lot of other things, or infection, please treat your infection and get our kit, and you will love how your man will keep enjoying you after using our product.